Hey everyone, welcome to exam day. The big test is in less than 2 hours. I'm heading out a bit early, walking with some nervous energy. I'm making my way toward the main campus square because besides the university itself, there is the campus cafeteria and a few other university spots. But first, let's grab a transit ticket. A 20-minute pass should do the trick. Just a quick scan of the QR code and we are good to go. Okay, here is the campus, and right next to it is a wonderful place called the main student cafeteria. You just go through the doors and up the stairs. There are plenty of options on the menu, but for me, there is only one right choice that beats everything in quality and most importantly, price. Check this out. Sweet cheese crepes and tomato noodle soup. Honestly, you can't find a better meal around here for under $3. But unfortunately, I can't forget about the exam that's starting in a few minutes, so I should probably head over. To pass this test, I need to score 26 out of 50 points. That doesn't sound too hard, especially if the questions are similar to past years. If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Altium Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Altium Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it, you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. Well, I feel like I definitely failed and will need a retake. But hey, we'll see how it goes. In the undergrounds here, there is a local retro computer and gaming museum. It's a place where older folks can get nostalgic and younger people can see how crazy things used to be back in the day. Now we are arriving at one of our favorite spots, a local pizza place. A friend of mine showed it to me once. It's a great spot to just sit outside, relax and enjoy the quiet. It's actually quieter inside, but the weather today was just too nice not to sit outdoors. I always go for the classic margarita pizza. Afterwards, it's a good idea to burn off at least some of these calories. A walk through the Central Park is highly recommended. Just have to be extra careful not to fall into the lake. I have a feeling someone's going to end up in the water in 3, 2, 1. See? I told you. Time to slowly wrap things up because I just got notification that my package is ready for pickup at the convenience store. My DisplayPort cable finally arrived. Unfortunately, turns out their register broke down and they had to suspend all sales. Well, life isn't always easy. Oh look, a new student competition flyer. Might be worth checking out. See you next time, bye.